Never expected to see this creepy. What? No, stay away!
You're in the right place, you little young man!
I won't let you take another step! And if you think I'm a newbie, I know how to use my blue bag very well!
Impossible! How'd you get access to it?
By a contract! Wait a minute, where did he go? Bloom Spectrum screen isn't showing anything unusual. Weird. Zookeeper! Stop stalking me! I don't even know how to play the game yet! This is so unfair! I'm clearly playing at a disadvantage! What?
You're in the right spot, little man.
Okay, I've warned you! Whoa!
I just wanted to make friends.
I'm sorry! I think I've lost the zookeeper. Am I going insane now?
I bet you are!
Disgusting! Can't even breathe! Monster, prepare to perish! Whoopsies, gotta go!
Don't! Run, dinner!
No!
Delicious!
I don't want to die like this! Ah!
Shut up! You'll destroy my ears, kid!
It's not what I expected, I mean!
What? What's your plan?
That paper convinced me to come!
Now I remember. Everything you see here is all we once were. A big united family. We used to have days full of life. Kids love a show.